Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a Lenovo monitor. First, gather your essential cables, an HDMI cable and the power cords for both devices. Make sure both your PlayStation 5 and monitor are completely powered off. Then, locate the HDMI input port on your Lenovo monitor, usually found on the back or side, ready for the next step. Now, let's make the physical connection. Take one end of your HDMI cable and firmly insert it into the HDMI OUT port on the back of your PlayStation 5. Next, connect the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI in port on your Lenovo monitor. Finally, plug in the power cables for both your PlayStation 5 and monitor into a wall outlet. With everything connected, power on your Lenovo monitor and then your PlayStation 5, you'll need to select the correct input source on your monitor. Use the physical buttons, often labeled Input or Source, or navigate through the monitor's on-screen display menu. Once the correct HDMI input is chosen, your PlayStation 5's display should appear clearly on your Lenovo monitor. To get the best experience, head into your PlayStation 5 system settings. Navigate to Screen and Video to fine-tune your display. Set the resolution to match your monitor's native resolution, commonly 1920 by 1080 pixels, for crisp visuals. If your monitor supports it, enable HDR and adjust other settings like refresh rate for a truly optimized gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.